Hey guys, it's Nacho Project here, and I'm still in the tent. Yeah, and stuff. I got a Swiss Army knife. So today I'll be showing you guys it. Yeah.
Swiss knife.
Hold on. Can you hold this, please? Suits.
Look.
Okay, make sure it's only on my hand.
Right.
Right. So you see it here. There's a whole bunch of crap in it. So there's the knife first. And then there's like two little wood chopper things here.
Damn cold.
Like that. And then the bottle openers, which open up on each side there. One. And then there's the scissors. Let me just put these back. The scissors. And then there is also the corkscrew screwdriver thing. Hold on. Whatever the hell this thing is, I don't know what it is. And I don't know what that thing is either. And then there is a... Shit. How long has the video been?
1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Like, actually, a minute and a half.
Oh.
Keep her going.
Crap. This thing doesn't want to work. Oh yeah, we got the little run-of-the-mill nail file, which is right here.
Nail file.
And that's really
It?
all that's in here. And I'll show you what it looks like when everything is,
Open.
yeah. With everything open, it looks something like, don't turn the camera around, please.
What? It looks cool.
Just don't.
Sorry.
Looks a little something like, this thing hasn't been used for a long time, so it's a little sticky. And then, yeah, this is what it looks like when everything is open.
Cool. Now, if you were to stay still for a little bit, I have the perfect way to end this video. Move out of the way a little, and...
Well, why would you throw the camera?